Guys, we're up in the Sierra foothills near Lake Tahoe for field day this year, 2018. Not going to talk about it much. I'm just going to kind of show you a little bit what we did for field day. Okay, so I donated my 7,300 to the cause here, and somebody just dropped off a computer, which I guess means that I have to set it up. It's Dr. Ballin.
Good morning, Bob. How are you? Setting up one of the KX3 stations this morning. Oh boy, 11 o'clock, the big event starts. We're going to be trying to make as many contacts as we can in a 24-hour period. We have 4 stations set up on HF with actually 3 multi-band antennas, 2 Yagis and 1 hex beam. I think we have 3 wire antennas up. 2 80-meter long wires and 1 40-meter dipole. And let's see what else we got going. We got the hospitality tent set up down here. We have breakfast going to come on around 10 o'clock this morning. And then this evening around 6 o'clock we're going to have our annual banquet. And people will be bringing in different things to eat. We'll actually be barbecuing. Actually, Bob's going to be barbecuing tri-tip and chicken, and what else did you buy, Bob?
Carne asada.
Oh, carne asada. So come on by if you're around. Welcome to Field Day 2018.
this, for serious operators, is when field day actually starts. The sun has just gone down, the lights are getting turned on, and some of us, we're gonna have a beer, and we are gonna work all night. CQ Field Day, Whiskey 6 Echo Kilo, Whiskey 6 Echo Kilo Field Day. We use them all up?
Yeah, well, they'll come, we'll get the next round.
Yeah.
Just keep going, you get the next round.
Something way down there. Nothing. CQ Field Day, Whiskey 6 Echo Kilo, Whiskey 6 Echo Kilo Field Day. We've been here for 2 days. It's been wonderful because the weather back home has been 105 to 110 degrees this weekend. Absolutely freaking miserable. Here, it is literally, it's been low 90s, maybe mid 90s, so it was much more bearable up here. It was cool at night, wonderful to operate. We had a good time.
Good morning. How's the head feeling today?
The head is okay.
Come closer. Oh, that does not look good. You better have some more Crown Royal.
Yeah, I saw the bands kind of narrow right on Bob. I mean, it just was hilarious. So I think he drew attention to himself, but just being funny and well, drunk.
Well, Bob may not remember it last night, but Bob was hilarious to watch. He got on there, a sip of Crown, up to the microphone. He ran 100 stations in about 60 minutes. Incredible, and it was hilarious to watch.
Okay, you want proof of life video, so go ahead and do your introduction for the ARRL.
Okay, this is Jennifer Montgomery. She's the Placer County Supervisor, and she wanted to see what we do here in Field Day, so she came.
Guys, be sure and help a brother out by clicking that like, share, and subscribe to this video. I'm Bob, K6UDA, and I'm out of here. 7-3.